Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Magic Eraser tool in Canva Mobile for easy photo editing. Let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your phone and log in to your account. Now tap on Create a Design and choose any size you want. Next, upload your photo by tapping on Uploads and selecting an image from your gallery. Once your image is added, tap on the photo and then select the Edit Image option. Here, look for the Magic Eraser tool. Tap on it, and now you can remove unwanted objects from your image. Simply use your finger to brush over the object you want to remove. Make sure to cover the area properly, then tap on Erase. Canva will automatically remove that object and fill the background using AI. If the result is not perfect, you can undo and try again for better accuracy. You can also zoom in for more precise editing. Once you're satisfied, tap on Done and download your edited image. And that's it. You've successfully removed unwanted objects using Magic Eraser in Canva Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy editing tips. Thanks for watching.